So for example, if you are trying to start your generator and it is giving you a signal fail to start, so what are the possible causes? So first of all, whenever your generator, you want to start your generator, okay, you have to check the fuel level in your diesel tank. If there is because fuel is very important for engine starting. If there is no fuel, your generator will never start. The another thing, the battery switch or the batteries, if there is a battery connected or not, you have to turn on your battery switch. After that, you have to check control panel fuses. The control panel fuses, control breakers is on and your controller is on.